Have you noticed mornings don't feel quite the same anymore? I don't mean the stiffness in your back or the creaks in your knees. I mean the kind of firmness that used to greet you every morning without fail. If you're a man over 50 and those early signs of energy have started fading, you're definitely not alone. But here's the good news. There's a simple nighttime drink that can help bring back stronger, more dependable morning wood naturally. By the end of this video, with Dr. Laura, you'll not only know the drink, but also why it works, how to make it, and what else you can do to boost its power. So stick with me until the end, because I'll also share one common mistake most men make at night that quietly kills their morning erections. Morning wood isn't just about intimacy, it's far more important than that. In fact, it's one of the clearest signs of a man's overall health. Each morning erection is like a quiet message from your body, telling you your blood vessels are open, your hormones are balanced, and your nerves are firing the way they should. Waking up firm isn't just about desire, it's proof that your circulation, testosterone, and sleep cycles are all working together the right way. But when those morning erections begin to weaken or disappear, it shouldn't be brushed off as just getting older. More often, it's an early warning sign that something inside your body is shifting. Maybe your arteries are getting stiffer, maybe your testosterone has dropped, or maybe stress, late-night habits, and poor sleep are throwing off your natural rhythm. Whatever the reason, losing morning wood is often the first red flag before bigger circulation or hormone problems show up. Think of it like the check engine light in your car. You wouldn't ignore that signal, because you know it means something under the hood needs attention. Morning wood is your body's version of that signal. If it's weak or missing, it's your body's way of saying, pay attention. The sooner you listen, the better chance you have of fixing it naturally. Here's the truth. Many men don't realize the biggest factor behind strong morning wood is blood flow. Erections are circulation events first, and desire events second. The better your arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood at night, the stronger and steadier your body will respond in the morning. This is why men with healthy hearts, flexible arteries, and good sleep often enjoy strong erections, even in their 60s and 70s. So how do you get that circulation back on your side? That's where the nighttime ritual Dr. Laura is about to share comes in. By drinking something that raises nitric oxide, relaxes blood vessels, and supports your hormones before bed, you give your body exactly what it needs to rebuild that morning response. This drink isn't just a comfort, it's fuel for your arteries, your prostate, and your hormones, setting the stage for your body to repair, restore, and get you ready for the day ahead. What you drink before bed quietly shapes how your blood vessels, hormones, and nerves work while you sleep. Most men don't realize that during deep rest, your body is busy with some of its most important tasks, building testosterone, repairing arteries, and recharging your nerves. This is the base for energy and performance the next day. If you fuel your body right before sleep, you're programming it to wake up stronger. But if you fuel it wrong, with heavy alcohol, sugary drinks, or that late-night coffee, you disrupt the very systems that keep your circulation open and your firmness reliable. That's why your nighttime choice matters so much. Every sip either helps your body heal or works against it. The good news is, you can shift things in your favor with something simple. Tonight, instead of a beer, soda, or coffee, you'll prepare a natural drink that actually works with your body. This calming, circulation-friendly drink lowers stress hormones, boosts nitric oxide, and supports steady testosterone production, all while you're asleep. So what is this drink? Surprisingly, it's not some fancy supplement or expensive tonic. It's a simple mix you can make in minutes: warm water, fresh lemon, and beetroot powder, with a touch of honey if you like it sweet. Why this combination? Because each part plays a powerful role in keeping your circulation, hormones, and energy balanced while you rest. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps your body produce nitric oxide, the natural messenger that relaxes and widens blood vessels. When arteries open, oxygen-rich blood can flow freely, even to the most sensitive areas that depend on strong circulation. Beetroot is the real powerhouse here. It's loaded with natural nitrous. Your body turns into nitric oxide as you sleep. That means your blood vessels are being primed, your pelvic region nourished, and your circulation strengthened from the inside out. And let's not forget the honey. Just a small spoonful keeps your blood sugar steady through the night. Without those sudden jumps and drops, your body can keep testosterone levels balanced, which is very important for men over 50. The beauty of this drink is in how simple it is. No tricky ingredients, no fancy tools, no big expense. It's affordable, easy to make, and supported by real science. Taken before bed, this calming circulation-friendly mix gives your body exactly what it needs to do its best work while you rest. By morning, your arteries are open, your blood vessels flexible, and your erectile tissue fully fueled. That's why so many men who try this find their mornings feel stronger, fuller, and more alive. Here's how to make it. Start with 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just gently warm, so it feels soothing as you drink. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon, and don't skip the pulp, since that's where many of the nutrients are. Next, add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, and stir until it blends smoothly. If you like a little sweetness, mix in half a teaspoon of honey. That's all it takes. Drink this about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. The warmth signals your body to relax. The lemon gives vitamin C that helps nitric oxide production. The beetroot boosts circulation while you sleep. And the honey keeps your blood sugar steady, avoiding dips that mess with your hormones. But there's something more powerful here than just the ingredients. It's the ritual. Making this mixture each night creates a calming habit that conditions your body to expect relaxation, smoother blood flow, and steadier hormones as you enter sleep. Over time, this simple routine trains your body into a healthier rhythm, making your nights more restful and your mornings more dependable. And when that morning wood comes back, it's not just about intimacy. It's proof your heart, blood vessels, and hormones are all working together in balance. That's the kind of small nightly choice that leads to big rewards. Let's break it down. Erections are mainly about blood flow. When nitric oxide rises, your arteries loosen, blood rushes into the penis, and the tissue expands. Beets are one of nature's strongest nitric oxide boosters, and studies show they can improve circulation within hours. Lemon helps your body use those nitrates better and keeps your arteries flexible. Warm water aids digestion, prevents dehydration, and helps your body absorb nutrients overnight. And honey, in moderation, keeps insulin stable, preventing hormone issues. Together, these ingredients are like giving your blood vessels a tune-up right before your body does its nightly repairs. That's why the results show up in the morning. Your body has had the whole night to work with them. Here's where many men go wrong. They think one drink will undo years of weak circulation overnight. It doesn't work that way. Consistency is the key. Just like with exercise, it's the daily habit that creates results. The first night, you might not feel much. After a week, you could notice waking up a little firmer. After a month, you'll likely see your morning wood is more regular, stronger, and more dependable. Patience and sticking with it are the secrets. Remember, your arteries have been aging for many years. Rebuilding takes time, but this drink is a powerful natural step forward. If you want to make it even stronger, there are a couple of easy but effective add-ons you can try. Add a small pinch of ginger powder. This spice has been trusted for centuries to support blood flow, and modern research shows it helps your arteries relax while also reducing hidden swelling that blocks circulation. Another option is to sprinkle in a little cinnamon. Besides giving the drink a richer taste, cinnamon helps balance your blood sugar through the night. When your blood sugar stays steady, your testosterone stays steady too, and that's exactly what you need for firm morning erections. Both spices add extra benefits, while also making the drink more enjoyable before bed. And don't forget one of the simplest but most overlooked factors: hydration. Erections depend on fluids. If you're dehydrated, your blood gets thicker and harder to circulate, meaning less oxygen reaches your pelvic region. That can make a big difference in how your body reacts overnight. So drink water regularly through the day, not just at night. Think of it as fueling your circulation system, so it's always ready to deliver when you need it. Now, let's talk about how to multiply the results. The drink itself is powerful, but when you combine it with the right evening habits, the benefits grow even more. Start with a short walk after dinner or before bed. It doesn't have to be long, even 10 to 15 minutes of gentle movement is enough. That light activity helps move the nitrates from the beets into your bloodstream more effectively, turning them into the nitric oxide your arteries need to stay open and flexible. You're basically priming your blood vessels so that by the time you sleep, your circulation is already in top condition. The next key is sleep. Deep, uninterrupted rest is when your body does its most important repair work. This is when testosterone peaks, arteries relax, and nerves reset. Testosterone, as Dr. Laura explains, is the main fuel for both desire and firmness. But here's the catch: if you stay up scrolling on your phone, watching TV until midnight, or letting your mind race, you rob your body of that natural hormone boost. Earlier, I promised to share the #1 mistake men make at night that quietly kills morning wood. Here it is: drinking alcohol before bed. A nightcap may feel relaxing, but alcohol is a circulation killer. It dehydrates your body, lowers testosterone production, and blocks the nerve signals that trigger erections. Even just a couple of drinks can wreck your body's ability to respond in the morning. So if you truly want this drink to work, skip the alcohol, replace it with this natural circulation booster, and you'll notice the difference. So gentlemen, if you want your mornings to start with the same strength and confidence you once had, give this drink a try: warm water, lemon, beetroot, and a touch of honey. It's simple, natural, and effective. But remember, it works only if you stick with it. Consistency builds results. Your mornings can feel powerful again. Your body can surprise you again. Don't let age convince you otherwise. If you found this video with Dr. Laura helpful, be sure to subscribe. And before you go, share in the comments: do you still get morning wood? And if not, how long has it been? Let's start the conversation.